Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva video tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to do a circle wipe transition here in Canva editor. So first of all, how to edit the video, we click on video and we click on landscape video or whatever format you want to be. After clicking it, we can select some videos here, and here. So we have around like 4 videos here. So how do we add a transition? So we press here, we press edit, then down we go to transition. Transition, we can see a lot of transitions here. So we press on circle wipe. So we repeat this for the other videos as well. Can adjust it here. Circle wipe. Edit. Go to transitions again. And circle wipe. So here we will see the circle wipe transition there. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can see that there is a circle wipe transition from transitioning from the first video to the second one. So that's how it looks like once again. This circle thing, that's the transition. And if you want to save, just press share, then download as MP4 video. Once again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Canva tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit the bell button below. Once again, thank you for watching.